So today we'll be making paneer momos. So first we'll move on to our preparation of dough. For that I've taken a big cup of maida, and I'll be needing to prepare the dough. For that I'm taking a cup of milk, salt to taste, we'll add a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons. We'll add a little bit of water. We don't have to make the dough too hard or too soft. Make sure you don't make it too soft, otherwise you'll have problem in rolling them. So now our dough is almost ready. I'm just giving it a final touch up. I'll add a little bit of oil once again and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Moving on to our stuffing, I've taken about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Then I'll add sliced garlic to it. So I've got some carrots, capsicums and chopped onions ready. I'll mix the garlic. And now I'll add my onions to it. Make sure you brown your garlic. After 2-3 minutes we'll add chopped green chillies and mix it. So again after some time we'll add our vegetables. After mixing them we'll add pepper to it and mix it. We'll also add salt to taste. And now we'll have to saute our vegetables for at least about 5 to 8 minutes. So I have sauteed the vegetables and now I'm going to add paneer. This paneer is prepared by myself. So if you want to check how did I make this paneer, do check out my paneer masala video. So I've given it in the description box, do check it out. We'll finally mix our stuffing. So our stuffing is finally ready. Moving on to our momo chutney, I've got water boiling over here and I'm going to add tomatoes to it. I've cut the tomatoes into halves. I'll also add dry red chillies. You can use any red dry chillies. So we'll add at least about 6 of them. We'll cook this for about 15 minutes and then we'll remove our tomatoes. We'll remove all of this to our blender. So we'll prepare a paste. You can see the color of the water has changed, so we know it's ready. So now I've got a saucepan ready and I'm going to add oil to it, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And then I'll add sliced garlic and green chillies. Once our garlic is turned golden brown, we'll add our paste. After adding, we'll have to mix it. We'll cook this for about 5 minutes. Now we'll add a little bit of sugar. This gives a sweet taste to the chutney. We'll also add salt to taste and mix it. Lastly, we'll add a little bit of vinegar. You can even add lime juice. So our momo chutney is ready. So we still have more work to be done, and now I'm moving on to our momos. I'm rolling out the dough just like we make normal rotis or chapatis. So I'm using a medium sized bowl to make circles for our momos. This helps our momos to be in shape, so it's better we do it like this. So now finally we are preparing our momos. For that I'm going to add a little bit of water to the edges of the circle, and I'll place our stuffings in between and prepare our momo. It's the easiest way to prepare momos. So I'm making another one. So our momos are finally ready. Now we'll have to steam them. I've used a idli mold. You can use a momo steamer. I have greased the idli mold. So we'll have to cook these momos for at least about 10 minutes. So I'm going to remove the lid, and finally our momos are ready. It looks delicious. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked my video, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you.